Hey guys, this is Gerald with Bass Kicking Adventures. Just wanted to show you a couple things that I bought today, especially this Shimano SLX DC. I've been doing a lot of research on this reel, and I finally decided to go ahead and give it a try. So I went to Bass Pro Shops. They had some in stock, so I got that. Show you a couple other things I got. I got some couple jig heads. It's got some rattles in the head. I have a underspin. I've got a swim bait that I can't wait to try on that. Here's some other swim baits that I got. 4-inch. I got some creme swim baits, and if you've never tried these, give these a try. Bass Pro Shops sells them. There are a lot of different colors that they have, and I'm telling you, these things have an incredible swim action. Cream Real Screamer. And there are five in that pack, and it's $3.40. Got me a little Z-Man jackhammer. I'm really excited about trying this. I've got a I can't remember who made it, but I've got one similar to that, but I wanted to give that jackhammer a try. I got some more swim bait jigs. Got me a jerkbait, the exact color that I was looking for, but I'm gonna paint some red bloody designs on the bottom of that. Size 4 hooks. Got me a what I think is a beautiful spinner bait. And then I got some Bass Pro Shop. I think these are 5 3/8 inch red shad sticko worm. Heavy salt scented. All right, but for the let's take a look at the main item. I'm excited because I'm going to put some line on this thing, and I'm going to take it fishing this evening. All right. So if you've seen the videos on these, it's got this unique braking system. Makes that cool noise when you cast it. And I mean, guys are casting it without, stopping the spool at all. 150 HG Shimano SLX DC. And I got the one that's got the 7.2 gear ratio. I'm going to be using 20. It holds 150 yards of 20-pound braid, and that's what I'm going to be using. All right, so I'm excited. I did my research. I watched a ton of videos. I never really saw anything negative about it. Comes with some real oil also. So I will do a video again later and let you guys know how I liked it. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Got more videos coming soon. Hopefully I'll be posting a video later this evening about a 6-pound bass that I caught on this new reel. That'd really make my day. All right, you guys take care. Thank you.